Dear student, in this lecture video, we studied about the contingency selection and ranking. This is the last content of the first part of the module 5, that is power system reliability and security. Now we studied about the contingency selection and ranking. Actually, we would like to get some measure to how that means the particular outage affect the power system, and then the idea of performance index, which is represented by PI to fulfill this need and all. And then what is the definition of overload performance index PI? The formula is PI equal to summation of all branches L, P the suffix flow on line L, and then PL maximum the power to N. So in this formula the N is nothing but the large number, and then the PI will be the small number if all the flows are within the limit. Suppose that means the PI is large, then all the flows, that means one or more lines are overloaded. This is the identification. So in the performance index formula, so the based on the N and the PI value, N is large number only. This N is small, N is the large number. There is no change. But based on the PI value, suppose the PI is a small number. Okay, small number means all the flows are within the limit only. Suppose the PI value is large means, okay, then if one or more lines are overloaded. So therefore, the problem is how to use this performance index in the power system for calculating the contingency selection and ranking. The various techniques have been tried to obtain the value of performance index PI when a branch is taken out, and then the calculations can be made exactly. For example, if N equal to 1, that is the table of PI values, one for each line in the network can be calculated quickly. The selection procedure involves ordering the performance index PI table from the largest value to least. The table how to make means from a largest value to least value, like that you have to make the performance index table. The lines corresponding to the top of the list are the candidates, that means for the short list. The one procedure simply ordered the performance index table, and then they picked the top N, the suffix C entries from this list and placed them on the short list. When N equal to 1, and then the performance index PI does not snap from near 0 to near infinity. So therefore the branch exceeds its limit only. It rises as a quadratic equation. A line is just below its limit contributes the performance index PI almost equal to 1. That is just over its limit only. So therefore the result is the performance index PI may be large when the many lines are loaded just below their limit. The performance index ability to distinguish or to deduct the bad cases is limited when the TI is equal to 1. The PI values when N equal to 1, usually the result is that means it is not at all the representative of 1 with the truly bad cases at the top one. So now we have to try to develop the algorithm that can quickly calculate the PI value when N is equal to 2 or the large has proven extremely difficult. The one way to perform an outage case selection is to perform what has been called the 1P1Q method. The 1P, 1Q method only explain the contingency selection and ranking with the help of the performance index PI. Here the decoupled power flow is used, and then the solution procedure is interrupted after one iteration. One iteration means one P theta calculation and then one QV calculation. That means QV means Q is the reactive power, V is the voltage, P is the real power, the theta is the angle. Okay, so that's why the name is 1P 1Q method. In this procedure, the performance index PI can use as a large and the n value as desired, that is n is equal to 5. There appears to be the sufficient information in the solution at the end of the first iteration of the decoupled power flow to give a reasonable performance index PI. Then the another advantages of this 1P 1Q procedure is the voltage can be included in the performance index PI. Now you see the formula. So the different performance index PI can be used, that is the PI equal to the summation of all branches I, the power flow L divided by PL maximum, the to the power 2n plus the summation of all buses I, del the modulus of EI divided by the del modulus of E max, the power is 2m. In this formula, the del modulus of EI is nothing but the difference between the voltage magnitude as solved at the end of the 1P 1Q procedure and the base case voltage magnitude. The del modulus of E maximum is nothing but the value set by the utility engineer indicating how much they wish to limit the bus voltage from changing on one outage case. Okay, so to complete the security analysis, the performance index PI list is stored. Therefore, the largest PI appears at the top, the least at the last only. The security analysis can start by executing full power flows with the case which is at the top of the PI list, then the solve the case which is the second, and so the down the list. Like that only we can prepare that is the performance index list. So the performance index list continues until either the fixed number of cases is solved or until a predetermined number of cases are solved which do not have any alarms. Now you see the flow chart. Okay, so the flow chart, this is the represents the 1P 1Q contingency selection procedure. Now you see full outage case list. For example, the outage is 50, full outage case list. Okay, then first begin the power flow solution. Then build B matrix and B double dash matrices. Then here the model outage case. Only you have to take one model outage case. Then we can solve the P theta equation. That is the for del thetas. Okay, change in the theta. Theta is the power angle or torque angle or load angle. P is the real power. Then now you see that theta I nu equal to theta I volt plus del theta I. The theta I nu is the new value of the theta. So okay, at the bus I, the theta I volt is the old value. That is the old value of the theta at bus I. The del theta I is the change in the theta at bus I only. After that we can solve the QV equation, that is the reactive power Q and then voltage equation for the del modulus of E. Okay, so the modulus of EI nu equal to the modulus of EI plus del into modulus of EI. In this formula, the modulus of EI nu is the new value of the voltage, that is the EMF at bus I. The modulus of EI is the that is the EMF, that means our voltage at bus I. The del modulus of EA is the change in the voltage at bus I. Now we have to calculate the flows and the voltages for the cases, then calculate the performance index PI. Performance index PI you can calculate it. So then over. So that PA is listed first. Okay, one entry over, that is listed first. Then again pick the next outages. Pick the next outage. This is comes to here like this line and all. So okay, so this is the continuation. Okay, the pick next outages, come here and then come to here the model. So this is like the next outage, the full outage is stored here only. The next case will come here. Again you can solve P theta equation, then you can find out the theta new value, then you can solve the QV equation, then you can get the modulus of EA new value. Then we have calculated the flows and voltages for the particular case, then again you can list it out like that until the full outage case list is executed and then listed. This is the what that is the performance index list. I already told, that means that is the large value of PA is first and then the least value is last. Okay, like that the performance indexed list you can saved here only. Dear students, I hope that in this lecture video you understood the contingency selection and contingency ranking procedure with the help of 1P 1Q procedure. So how the question will come under this topic is explain the 1P 1Q contingency selection procedure with the flow chart. Otherwise explain the contingency selection and ranking with the help of the flow chart. Both are same only. So the minimum is 8 mark, maximum is 10 mark. You can write the performance index 2 formula. One is branches, another one is branches plus buses, then flow chart, then explain. Thank you students for watching this video.